Hello. I wanted to make a quick video to help you locate the ebook and other resources that I think will help you succeed in this course. Um, so first I'll click on our course, our MAT 240 course, and I click course menu, and I actually can click learning modules if I like. And you can click my stat lab. And if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, you'll see HTML ebook or My Math Lab Pearson eText. So let's try the eText first. It takes a moment for it to load. Make sure your pop-up blockers are disabled. Make sure your browser will allow cookies and Adobe Flash to engage. And you'll notice this is the textbook. This is one version of the textbook. Here's the page number, so if I press the right arrow, you'll see the page will increase. If I want to jump into, say, Chapter 4, I click on the Chapter 4 folder, and I can navigate through the book this way. Okay, that's one way to do it. If I click, let's see, if we go back, I go into Learning Modules. I think the last thing I did is here, My Stat Lab, or I can click on the left side. If I scroll down, so we just looked at the eText. I can also look at the HTML ebook. And it says open an HTML version of your textbook. And it looks a little different, but it's still the same, right? Here's chapter 4. If we want to click on hypothesis testing, here's the page. And we can move forward and backwards with these buttons. See? Okay, but I think I like the other version of the book better, to be honest with you. So maybe I'm going to continue to work with that book. All right, let me just close out some of these windows. And if I click the crumb up here, My Stat Lab, I think I prefer to use this eText, okay? So that's where the book is. And if you want to look for some resources, if you click on course menu and discussions, I plan to post hints and tips in this general discussions area. So for example, if you're having trouble with creating a confidence interval, well, I posted questions or videos to the most commonly asked questions, and this video will show you step by step how to create a confidence interval. See? And maybe you want to hit the YouTube button so you can open it up in a bigger window. And just be sure to turn up your volume to make sure you can hear this well. All right, so every week I plan to add more videos to the general questions discussion board. And these videos are very content specific or very topic specific for the work that you'll be doing each week. And then one last and really big suggestion, I've posted the link to our weekly webinars in the announcements. So if we go to the announcements, let's see here. You will see here's a link to our weekly webinars. I posted this in several locations. Here's another link to our weekly webinars. Let me open one of them up. So let's say we are in week 2. If you click the week 2 session 1 webinar, that will give you the solutions to the homework for the first half of our homework problems in week 2. And then the session 2, week 2, would show you how to solve the homework for the second half of your homework. If we're in week, 5, again, it's broken up into 2 sessions. First half of your homework for week 5, second half of your homework for week 5. And you know, be sure or feel free to jump around. You don't have to watch the entire webinar. So if you're having trouble with problem 3, well, maybe you'll open up the webinar and then jump to problem 3. Right? So you'll see this is something that's recorded, and you can jump around to get to your specific homework problem. And what's great about these webinars is the professor does a really good job of explaining, not just solving your homework, but explaining your homework. Okay, so you'll see this looks like this is question number 4 of your week 2 homework. Okay, and again, it looks like there's 14 problems here. So you can, this first one will probably get through maybe problem 6 or problem 7, and then the second session will complete the rest of your homework problems. Many students that have taken this course have really said that these webinars are very helpful. So I would highly recommend going through all of them. And then at the end of the semester, you'll want to look at the final exam review webinar. That covers questions that are similar to questions you'll find in your final exam and will really help you prepare for the final exam. I hope this helps you get started. Please let me know if you have questions. Have a great day.